Hello YouTube, good day. Today went to the post office and I got this big box. I don't know what's inside of this, so I'll probably unbox it in front of you in case if there's something else weird or I don't know. But that's the parcel that I got from post office and it's in Montreal, Quebec, Canada. I wonder what is this. So, well, let's open it up. Reveal it. I can't really remember. I'm not expecting for a big parcel. I did order some portable air conditioning. This could be it, I think. So hopefully this will be it. And looks like it is, I think. Yes, it is. It is. Some paperwork. So, yes, it is the portable air conditioner. This is nice. This is nice. Put aside this one here first. I'll show you this one. There. So it's the portable air conditioning. It's actually a desktop air conditioner. Well, let's open it up. What's inside? Wait for a minute. I'm gonna show you. There are two of them that I ordered. So that's the other one. Put this one set aside in here. Let's open up this thing here, this box. Let's see what's inside. Never owned a thing like this. Some cardboard to protect it. And basically, that's the one. Got some manuals. I ordered it from Amazon Canada. Okay, they tape it. Okay, don't really have any kind of information for this kind of product, but from what I've read in Amazon, you have to, oh, it's big, it's big. Never expected as big as this, but let's open it up. I think you have to have a jug in here. This one. I think you have to fill the water with this and put it in here. Close it up. Just like this, I think. Then there's the on and off switch. I don't know if you can see. Sorry for the very poor lighting. And I think this got a little condenser in here to catch all those fluids that are residue with the water, not the water, with the frozen bottle that you put inside. So I think that's it as of now. Saying bye bye as of now. You have a good day, viewers.